Hi, my name's Sham and today I am going to show you around the ABI Wimbledon, which is on our showground here at Bowleaze Cove in Weymouth. As you walk into the holiday home, you walk into this really nice kitchen dining area. There's bench seating with an additional pull-out bench where you can seat more people. The kitchen has already got an integrated dishwasher built in with more drawers, cupboards, overhead as well as under counter. You also have a gas hob with a gas oven and grill and a built-in microwave already with the holiday home. Taking you into the front room, you've got this really modern sofa, the modern colours. Unlike traditional caravans, you've got so much more space these days. This is 39 foot by 12 and you can feel that in this living room. And then on top of that, you actually have sliding front doors. So this holiday home would have a front balcony. You have a pull-out sofa bed in this holiday home, so you have sleeping for 6. You've got a really nice coffee table with some buffets there to help put your feet up. You've already got a built-in TV unit and a really cozy electric fire that looks like a little log burner. Coming into the back end, the first room on your left is the twin room, where you have 2 single beds and you can actually push them together to make a double. Then on your right, you have a lovely large shower with a wash hand basin and a toilet. As you come into the master bedroom of this holiday home, you have the full 12-foot width. You've got a very nice king size bed with a lift up, so you've got additional storage in there. You can see the beautifully fitted vanity area with a stool, which then leads you to this really nice feature wall with the downlights and with the built-in side tables already. You also have an ensuite toilet with a wash hand basin, and on top of all this, you still have lots of wardrobe space as well as drawers underneath. So you get all of this for $89,995. That doesn't include the decking, because the holiday home, once sited on a pitch of your choice, the decking would be an additional extra. This, as I mentioned, is on our showground here at Bowleaze Cove and it is available to view right now. If you would like to see more, contact us on 01305 836 836 or click the link below in the description.